All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about PIP. So what is PIP? PIP is a package manager for Python packages or modules. What is a package? A package contains all the files you need for a module. Modules are Python code libraries you can include in your project. To check if PIP is installed, go to your command line or terminal and run a script. To install PIP, you can download and install it from this page. So pypi.org project PIP. To download a package, downloading a package is very easy. Open the command line and tell PIP to download the package you want, okay? Which I'm going to show you all these examples in a minute. PIP using a package. So once the package is installed, it is ready to use. Import the camel case package into your project is just an example. Find packages. To find packages, find more packages at https pypi.org. To remove a package, use the uninstall command to remove a package. And list packages, you can use the list command to list all the packages installed on your system. So what I'm going to do is we're not going to go into a notebook for this video. What we're going to do is we're going to open up terminal, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up, for me, I'm using iTerm 2. If you're on Windows, you can use GitBash. You can use, I believe it's called Chocolate, something like that. And basically what this package installer is, I'm going to go back one slide here, package manager, okay, for Python. So when I was in coding bootcamp, I was learning front-end web development, okay? I'm a full-stack developer now, but when I was learning front-end web development, package managers changed my life, okay? Because what I realized is with a package manager, all you have to do is type in a command and you can install packages with the type of a keyboard, enter, okay? Or run a script, okay? So that's the point of this. So let's jump into our terminal and take a look. So I'm going to open up iTerm. Okay, so we're inside of iTerm for me. And remember, I'm on Mac OS, so that's why I'm running this. What you can do is you can check it to see if PIP is installed. So if you type in PIP -- version, it's going to show you which version you have. So for me, I have PIP 20.2.4 is installed for Python 3.8. So when we installed Python 3.8, it installed pip, okay? To download a package, we can install camel case, for an example, okay? So this is what I was talking about when I was in the coding bootcamp. When I did this and I ran a script, I did npm though. I was using npm, which is another package manager, okay? But for this example, we're going to use pip. So pip install camel case. Okay, so when I do that, what it's going to do is it's going to download camel case and then building wheels for collecting packages. It's going to collect the package, and then once it's done, it'll say successfully installed camel case 0.2. Okay, and then to use the package, okay, we can import this into our notebook. So let's do that. Okay, so now I'm in my notebook, and I'm going to create a new notebook, and we're going to call this 23 PIP. Okay, all capitals, PIP. Okay, so what we can do is we can import camel case. We're going to do C equals camel case dot camel case, okay, and then we'll do text txt equals hello world, and then we'll do print c dot hump txt. Okay, so let's run that. Hello world. Okay, so you see what happened here. So we imported the camel case package, okay. Then we ran it here, and then we wrote the text here, okay, and then we combined them together, and it created camel case. So camel case is the first letter of the word is capitalized, Okay? So that's how you use the package. Now to find a package, what we're going to do is this. Okay, so to find a package, we can go to https://pypi.org. Okay? So let's do that. Open up your favorite web browser. Okay, so I open that link up, and this is what we get. Find, install, and publish Python packages with Python package index. Okay? So you can see trending projects, new releases. Okay? And you can look for whatever you want in here. Okay? There's thousands upon thousands of projects, over 276,000 projects, 2 million releases, and 3.6 million files. Okay? That's a lot of projects and a lot of code around, which is great because then you as the developer can pull that file and use that for your project. Pull that package and use that for your project. Okay? So that's how you find more packages. Now the question becomes, how do we remove a package? So to remove a package, all we do is use the uninstall command to remove a package. So all we would do is in terminal or in iTerm for this example, or in GitBash, if you're using that, you can do pip uninstall camel case. Okay, so this will uninstall it. Okay, yes, I'm going to proceed. And it's been uninstalled. Okay. And then if you want to list packages, you want to see how many you have, right? We can do PIP list. Okay, and you can see all the packages I have. That's a lot of packages. Okay, and these were all packages that were installed with the Python installation and other packages that I've installed over time. So I'm going to type in clear to clear that. Okay, and that is PIP in Python. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.